That might be a little bit better lighting. I kind of think it is. But we are headed down here. We have a fast pass, and standby's at 40 minutes. We won't have to wait for that. It's all decked out in Christmas lights and everything. Yay! Well, we made it back to the Jingle Cruise. They got their presents, they got their trees, all ready for everything. Oh, this is cute. It's a cute tree. Santa, please stop here. Ooh, festive dock. Kind of cool. Honey, Happy New Year.
Interesting?
No? No?
Sure, why not?
Oh, they even changed the name of the boats. The Icicle Irma. That's cute. Christmas bulbs, stockings, garland. I mean, they really kind of like go all out on the decorations. I like it.
Never saw them before, so they're really a loss. Folks, welcome aboard the world-famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Sarah King, and for the next 12 days, it ain't crazy nights, I will be your skipper, your guide, your candy cane striper, your tree trimmer, your secret tip. Just forget I said that one. That was supposed to be a surprise. Okay, so we're gonna have a lot of fun together, and by fun, I mean we're looking for some airdropped cargo that has missed its intended location. We're starting here in the Amazon. We can see some humbugs, and if you listen closely, you can actually hear their mating call. Ah! Yes, as I suspected, they are bah humbugs. And if you feel any itching, don't worry, that's just the fleas Navidad. This over here is Inspiration Falls. A lot of people want to know where that name comes from, and it's because if you stare at it long enough, it inspires you to sing a Christmas carol. Marley was dead to begin with, dead as a doornail. Great, well, seems like you had great expectations for that one. So we're now leaving the Amazon and headed down the Congo. Now we're changing continents as well as rivers, but I checked the forecast and you won't need a sweater. Because there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas. No Christmas decorations. Guys, do they even know it's Christmas time at all? Oh, unless those are gifts. I can't tell. Canoe? Let's see some other gifts. Oh wow, it looks like somebody is getting an old tree all wrapped up with a boa on top. Yeah. Everybody, I'm going to show you our jungle gift wrapping station. It's right over here. A lot of people questioned our decision to hire gorillas as our primary gift wrappers, but when you look at that fantastic turnover, yeah, they even made a wreath out of shotgun shells. Boy, I bet that was a blast to hang. Yeah, oh buddy, there with the rifle, you better lower that down. You might shoot your eye out. So we're now headed down the Nile River. If it gets a little choppy here, that's very much to be expected. Around this time of year, there tends to be a really strong Yule tide. Now, over here on the left, we have the second most feared animal in the jungle, the African bull elephant. Coincidentally, the most feared animal in the jungle is also right over here. His mother-in-law. And she's planning on staying all 8 nights. Yeah, she packed an extra trunk. In celebration of our upcoming Jungle Cruise movie, we have a special celebrity guest with us here today. Everyone, please welcome The Rock. We're now in the African belt. We can see all kinds of wildlife, like some long-necked reindeer, and some striped reindeer, and some feathered reindeer, and oh wow, those reindeer that killed Mufasa. Gosh, better move on with that. Oh wow. Well, who would have believed it? The Lions won the big game. really just drink popcorn. Oh. And you know, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that is the North Pole. No? 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 Shows what I know. So I've noticed a lot of you looking over here in the jungle, looking at these plants, and I know what you're looking for. Yeah, you're looking for mistletoe. But you have to be careful with that stuff, guys. Last time I messed around with mistletoe, I blew off the front half of my shoe.
Oh.
It's mistletoe. So I now want to show you a rare jungle glacier. It's perched high atop a hill, absolutely magnificent. Well, it's been a warm winter. Alright guys, now lean in. I don't want to deck the boat with folks on hauling. Alright, so now it's time for a word from one of our Jingle Cruise sponsors, the Jungle Aviation Company. They've got a really great holiday deal happening right now. It is half off a plane. But I don't know about you. I don't want a plane for Christmas. No, I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. Oh guys, oh no. We're surrounded by hungry hippos. I should have been more specific on my Christmas list. Okay, don't worry, I know what to do. I saw this in a movie once. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals! And a Happy New Year! Home Alone, now streaming on Disney Plus. So we've got a bunch of Christmas characters back here. We got Dancer and Prancer and the little drummer boy and Samantha. Oh, I don't even know what Samantha. Oh my goodness. Oh no, guys. Carolers. Okay, I'm gonna turn off all the lights. We can pretend like we're not home. That's what I do. All right, somebody throw them the bigot pudding. They won't go until they get some. They won't go until they get some. Okay, I think they've moved on to Silent Night. Amazing, guys. Let's celebrate with the beautiful eighth wonder of the world. It's time for the best night of water. That's a true Boxing Day miracle. So, guys, I have to tell you, I've seen a Bengal tiger stalking us alongside on the beach. Yeah, I can tell because of his sandy claws. But don't worry, I've heard around Christmas, tigers tend to hang up their stockings. So we're now in Cambodia on the Mekong River. Guys, I hope you haven't had too many of those candy canes or sugar plums or gingerbread men because I love them. This is a root canal. The boat, but it's cold and flu season. They're very stuffed up. Got some post-nasal drip issues, we might say. Yeah, you know, a lot of people think that's water coming out of their trunks, but it's not. So I want to show you, we have a seta right here, and a seta right there, and a seta right there. Okay. receiving poinsettias. Amazing. And before we leave, we have to say hi to my dear friend, Trader Sam over here. Yeah, Trader Sam is our head jungle businessman, but his sales have been shrinking lately, so he's offering a really great holiday deal. It's going to be 2 heads for the price of yours. Yeah, you know, any way you slice it or dice it, you always come out ahead. Any takers? Anybody interested?
I'll take it.
All right, we'll discuss it at dock. Yeah, you know, Trader Sam really likes the ones with earrings on. Yeah, they jingle all the way home. All right, guys, looks like we're coming into dock. Just remain seated. Keep those hands, arms, legs, and feet inside of the boat. If you enjoyed this cruise today, guys, my name is Skipper Sarah Kate, and this has been the Jingle Cruise. If you did not enjoy this cruise, then, well, my name's Macaulay Culkin. Yep, and I think K sounds are funny. Okay, guys, so I only have one thing left to say, and that is make like Santa and leave my presents.
Woo!
Oh, guys, wow. I do love the applause started by my coworker.
Well, we just got off the Garland Garden. That was fun. Skipper Sarah, right? I think was her name. Good times, some good jokes.
You're gonna find out in the video.
Yeah, we will find out in the video if I was right or not. Chances are I'm probably not, but we'll see.
I kind of don't think you are.
Yeah, probably not. That was a good time though. I enjoyed the Christmas jokes. Enjoyed the regular jokes.
Yeah.
Glad I got to see the backside of water.
Right.
Missed the H2O chant. Like missed the H2O chant. You tried it. You tried. No one wanted to pick up on it.
And it's O2H.
Oh yeah, O2H. H2O is the right thing. Oh, it's getting late.
Paul, you just are all over this place and don't know anything anymore.
Boo. I know something.
What?
You need to go back and get that beast plush.
Oh yeah, I do.
And we need to find some hook stuff. So we're gonna go shopping. Pirates of the Caribbean. I think we're coming back to go on that later. I'm pretty sure we're gonna try to do that. Right now we're gonna go into Frontierland long enough to turn right and go back into Liberty Square, long enough to walk around the river to go back to Fantasyland.
Yep.
And assuming Kristen doesn't fall asleep walking. Oh, we made it through the sea of people. We're back in Fantasyland along with every other person in the park. Came to Fantasy Fair, seeing if there's anything maybe Captain Hook related in here. Also checking out all the cool music stuff because I'm a music guy myself. Maybe grab some pictures. And then, yeah, see if we can find any Captain Hook stuff. We're having a harder time than we thought finding Captain Hook. Now Smurf did say if we need to, we could go back to, like, you know, Tinkerbell or Peter Pan or anything related to the movie. But I'm determined to find Captain Hook. Oh, for the love of us walking forever, we finally made it back here to Bonjour Village Gifts. Buy ourselves a Gaston doll. Or a Beast doll. Oh, so tired, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So, we purchased our Beast. It is being delivered to the front of the park where we pick it up before we leave. We figured we have a little bit of time. Little Mermaid Under the Sea Adventure is only 15 minutes.
It's 40 minutes, guys.
Oh, it's 40 minutes, not 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's 40 minutes now.
So never mind. Okay, we're kind of in this place where we want to go in front of the castle and wait out a good spot to watch these shows. Although we wait out and someone will stand in front of us anyways and just block our view.
I know, right?
At the last minute, like it happens all the time, and we just figure it out. But it's kind of early to do that, but nothing here has a wait less than like 40 minutes. And that is too long to do anything before going back to the castle. So we're kind of in this limbo spot. We might go back to the castle area.
Okay.
And maybe we'll do a little live thing. We haven't gone live yet this vacation. And we're going to change the battery to this, because that needs done.